guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a video using the new Huda Beauty new nude eyeshadow palette, and I wanted to see how it performs today, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and comment down below if you like my content. So I just started off by moisturizing my lips and my face. Going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in light as a primer for the eyeshadow, and using the e.l.f. Cosmetics angled contour brush to blend this out. And the star of the show, the Huda Beauty new nude eyeshadow palette. I'll be using the Morphe M510 brush to blend out this first shade called Tickle. Then going in with this eyeshadow blender brush and the color Spanked from the Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to begin by concentrating this color on the outer edges of the eye. Next, I'll be packing this color in the inner third of the eye as well. Next, I'm going in with the smudger brush and the color Love Bite from the palette to create more depth to the eye. Spraying MAC's Fix Plus onto my finger to pack the color Excite onto the eyelid. I am so impressed with this palette. It has amazing color payoff, very pigmented, and all the colors are so beautiful. I can't wait to keep using it. It is amazing! The matte shades are so easy to blend out, and the glittery shades are just beautiful. You need this palette in your life. Next, I'm going in with this LA Girl eyebrow pencil to fill in my brows. Using the Maybelline concealer again and a Mikasa Beauty E220 brush, I will be outlining my brows to give them more definition. The way I like to clean my brows is by using the concealer and making about 3 or 4 dashes and then connecting the lines with a flat brush, and then I just blend out the concealer to create a more clean and defined brow. Next, I'm going in with the Sephora Collection lashes in the style Demure number 24. For foundation, I'm going in with my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer in the color Cork and my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. For my under eyes, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Light Beige. I am really impressed with this concealer. It is full coverage, it is radiant, it covers your under eyes, it is just so bomb. Time to bake cookies! I wish. I'm baking my under eyes using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and this Ecotools beauty sponge. To contour, I'm using the Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. The cookies are done. I am dusting away the powder with this Mikasa Beauty F120 brush. For blush, I'm going in with MAC Cosmetics Mocha. For highlight, I'll be using the Dior Skin Nude Luminizer in the color Nude Glow 01. This highlight is so unique, you guys. From the packaging to the actual product, it is just so gorgeous. The color itself is this light champagne color. It is not chunky and it really gives you that glow from within type of look. I'm just going back into the new Nude Eyeshadow palette and taking those same colors that I used on the eyes and just adding them to the bottom lash line and smudging them out. For my lips, I went in with MAC Cosmetics Spice Lip Liner and the color Truffle Tease from Maybelline. That is it, you guys. This is the finished look and I am so in love. It is so beautiful. I wish I could keep it on forever. But thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.